Welcome back to my channel. Sweet potatoes and lentils come together to form a delicious and nutritious dish that's perfect for anyone, especially those managing diabetes or looking for a health-conscious meal. This recipe for sweet potato and lentil patties is not only scrumptious, but also packs a punch of essential nutrients. Below, you'll find a detailed breakdown of the ingredients and step-by-step instructions on how to prepare this dish. Plus, I'll explain why it's particularly beneficial for diabetics and healthy eaters. Ingredients: sweet potatoes, 2 large sweet potatoes, approximately 1 lb, peeled and cubed. Lentils, 1 cup red lentils, rinsed. Onion, 1 medium onion, finely chopped. Garlic, 3 cloves garlic, minced. Fresh ginger, 1 tablespoon grated. Cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. Smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon. Fresh cilantro, 1/4 cup chopped. Lemon juice, 2 tablespoons. Salt and pepper, to taste. Olive oil for cooking. Whole wheat flour, 1/4 cup for binding and coating. Instructions: boil the sweet potatoes in a pot of water until they are tender, about 15 to 20 minutes. Drain and let them cool slightly before mashing them in a large mixing bowl. Cook the lentils. While the sweet potatoes are boiling, cook the red lentils in a separate pot with 2 cups of water. Bring to a boil, then simmer for about 15 minutes until they are soft and most of the water is absorbed. Drain any excess water. Sauté the aromatics. Heat a little olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add the chopped onion, minced garlic, and grated ginger, sautéing until the onions are translucent and fragrant. Combine the ingredients. To the mashed sweet potatoes, add the cooked lentils, sautéed onion mixture, cumin, coriander, smoked paprika, chopped cilantro, lemon juice, salt and pepper. Mix well until all ingredients are evenly distributed. Form the patties. Shape the mixture into patties, each about 1/2 inch thick. If the mixture is too wet, you can add whole wheat flour to help bind it. Optionally, lightly coat each patty in whole wheat flour for extra crispness. Cook the patties. Heat a thin layer of olive oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Cook the patties for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, or until they are golden brown and firm. Serving suggestion: serve these patties with a dollop of low-fat Greek yogurt or a green salad for a balanced meal. Health benefits: low glycemic index. Sweet potatoes have a lower glycemic index than regular potatoes, making them a better choice for blood sugar control, which is crucial for diabetics. High fiber content. Both lentils and sweet potatoes are high in dietary fiber, which helps slow down glucose absorption, providing steady energy and aiding in digestion. Rich in protein, lentils are a great source of plant-based protein, essential for muscle repair and growth. Packed with vitamins and minerals, this dish is rich in essential vitamins like vitamin A from sweet potatoes and various B vitamins from lentils, which are vital for energy metabolism and overall health. Anti-inflammatory properties. The spices used, such as garlic, ginger, and turmeric, offer anti-inflammatory benefits, which are crucial for reducing the risk of chronic diseases. This sweet potato and lentil patties recipe is a testament to how delicious and healthful cooking can be simple, yet satisfying, particularly beneficial for those looking to manage their blood sugar levels or maintain a healthy diet. Enjoy crafting this wholesome meal that promises delight with every bite. If you enjoyed watching this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. See you in the next video.